Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to hide Grammarly icon from your web browser's toolbar. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser first, and if you've added your Grammarly add-ons in your toolbar and you'd like to hide the icon, then the process is quite easy. Go to the top right hand corner of the screen where you can see your toolbar. You should be able to see your Grammarly icon located right here at the corner. Go ahead and give it a right click in order to open up a pop-up menu. Now click on the unpin button in the pop-up to remove it or hide it from your toolbar. If you ever change your mind on this and you want your add-on for Grammarly right at the toolbar at the top, then you can click on the extension icon and click on the little pin icon right next to Grammarly and you'll get it back on your toolbar again. So I hope you learned how you can easily hide or remove your Grammarly add-on from your toolbar. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.